If you are looking for an awesome stand-up desk that's electric and easy to put together, you're absolutely going to love this. I got the black color. I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about it. It has cable management holes right up here. So we have one over there, another one over there. Really like that a lot. This goes all the way down to 27.95 inches and up to 45 inches. All you have to do to get this up is literally hit this button right over here. You'll see it's gonna raise itself up just like that. This was really easy to put together, which I like. Then you have that, and then you can lock 3 different memories in if you wanted to do that. This is kind of what the legs look like down over here. We got a nice little rack over here, so you can put some stuff over there. And then we have a side rack over here as well, so you could hang headphones on those 2 right over there, which is nice. You got the memory. You have a 1-inch thick top over here. This could hold up to 220 pounds. You don't need any tools. You will need to assemble this, but the directions are extremely clear, which I like. Maybe it took me 20-ish minutes, not even. And again, you could just plug it in wherever you want. I really like this. I have it facing right over here, and I just slide a desk chair under there, which is really nice. Can't really say enough good things about this. This is just super solid and sturdy. This is 60 by 28. Plenty of room. You could probably get like 3 monitors. Like if you kind of get an idea, I could have 3 pictures across the top of that. So you could easily get 3 monitors on there, a laptop, a tablet, a whole bunch of stuff. Here's kind of a MacBook to kind of give you an example, kind of where that would be right over there. And then if you had like a tablet and a phone and all that kind of stuff, plenty of space just in the middle there. You could even put like a little keyboard over there and you'd be totally fine. And then you have each end. Again, really like kind of the cable management over here. So if you are looking for a great electric stand-up desk that has the memory hold, is easy to set up, easy to use, you go from all the way down to 27, all the way up to 45, and has 1-inch thick, and also could hold 230 pounds. Definitely check this out, and a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.